ಜಗಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿ ಬಾ ದೇವಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಕಿಲ್ಲ ನೀನಿಲ್ಲದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಬದುಕಿನ ಹಗಲಲ್ಲೇ ಬಾ ದೇವಾ, ಈ ಹಗಲಲ್ಲೂ ಏಕಾಂತವೇ. ಹೊತ್ತು ಹೋಗದು ನೀ ಬರದೆ ಈ ಬಾಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಕತ್ತಲಾಗದು ಈ ಬದುಕು ನೀನಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ.
ಜಗಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿ ಬಾ ದೇವ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಕಿಲ್ಲ ನೀನಿಲ್ಲದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಬದುಕಿನ ಹಗಲಲ್ಲೇ ಬಾ ದೇವ, ಈ ಹಗಲಲ್ಲೂ ಏಕಾಂತವೇ. ಹೊತ್ತು ಹೋಗದು ನೀ ಬರದೆ ಈ ಬಾಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಕತ್ತಲಾಗದು ಈ ಬದುಕು ನೀನಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ.
Commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID-appropriate behaviors, to always wear a mask or a face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID-19.
A very good morning to one and all. I am here to give you today's thought.
Always use branded items in life. For lips, truth. For voice, prayer. For eyes, sympathy. For hands, charity. For heart, love. And for face, smile. So, keep smiling. Go ahead. Thank you. Have a nice day.
It's a time to come together. From the east and west we gather. Be it north or south, don't matter. As DB's kids we matter. Children the end, Don Bosco's pride. God's own hand to solely guide. Growing by virtues but steady, learning forever good, ready.
Good morning, children. Today's vocabulary word is deft. D-E-F-T, meaning skillful in physical movements, especially of the hands. For example, to make it work require a deft hand. Thank you.